Hello guys, welcome to Technolung Reviews. Today, I will review the Airbrush AI image generator tool. It uses AI to create high-quality images and artwork in seconds. It is an alternative to Adobe Photoshop, Shutterstock, and Unsplash. And it is best for content creators, copywriters, and marketers. You will find its lifetime deal starting at just $29 at AppSumo. It offers 3 plans starting from $29 to $87, and you will get 500 to 1,500 credits respectively. Here are their features, as you see in Plan 1, Plan 2, and Plan 3. Later in the video, I will let you know which plan is the best for you. If you need an extra 10% discount, please watch the full video. When I am reviewing, it shows a whopping 236 reviews, and the count is increasing rapidly. If we see the review section, then we can tell that almost all the reviews are good. It means it is a quality AI image generator tool. Now, without further delay, let's jump into the website of the Airbrush AI image generator tool, where you can generate AI-powered images in one click. With Airbrush AI technology, you can create original stock photos, NFTs, art, and more in just seconds. It will create high-quality images for every use case. Airbrush helps you with your 4 main problems. Check those here. Now, let's explore the dashboard of Airbrush. In the front, you will see Create Image, Search Gallery, Upscale Image, Prompt Generator, Prompt Templates, Image Variations, and so on. We will explore one by one. In Recent Generations, you will see your recently generated photos. Let's start with Create Image. Here you can turn your text into a unique image with the help of multiple AI engines. Okay, let's open it and try it. To make images, you need to follow the below instructions. In the description box, please give your image description. Like I give, a Siberian cat is drinking milk. Now you need to choose the AI engine type. There are many options available. I select Midjourney version 6. Next, select your image dimensions from small, large, portrait, etc. options. I select large. Now click Create Image and wait for the preview image. Wow, the image is very accurate. You can download it if you like. With the Upscale option, you can clarify, sharpen, and upscale the photo without losing its content and defining characteristics. You need to give the URL of the image here to check. I want to upscale this image. For this, I need to give the URL of the image in the URL box and submit it. Now wait. Wow, it clearly upscaled my image. With Prompt Generator, you just need to give a few words about your photo. It will give you a fully detailed prompt to generate the image you want. Okay, let's put Siberian cat drinking milk in the box. It gives me this prompt. Okay, it is a detailed prompt. Now check it with Create Image. Please do the process again. Here is the output. If we check both in the history, we find that the prompt-generated image is more attractive. In the History tab, you see your previously generated images. In Prompt Templates, you will find a collection of ready-made prompts that can be used with your favorite AI engines. With Image Variations, AI will generate variations for your image. Put your desired image URL here in the box. Your prompt, Siberian cat drinking milk. Now, select AI Engine, Midjourney version 4. Image Dimensions. Select Large. Now click on Create Image, and now wait. Incredible, it creates the exact image I want. It combines my instruction with an image, and makes it happen. Do you want this complete AI image generator tool? If yes, then you can buy its lifetime deal from AppSumo at just $29. In the Tutorials section, you will get all the tutorials to use the Airbrush tool. Please check those before start creating images. With Create Blog Cover, you can create a blog cover image from the blog post URL. Just give the URL of the blog, and it will create a blog cover. Yes, the image is great. In the left navigation menu, you will find Dashboard, Create Image, History, Search Gallery, and Image Upscaler. We already discussed everything, so it is a complete review with a step-by-step tutorial on the Airbrush AI image generator. If you follow this video, you will not need any tutorials to use this tool. If you need this complete AI image generator tool, then you can buy its lifetime deal from AppSumo at just $29. For a single user with moderate tasks, a $29 deal is fine. But if you have more tasks than usual, then go for Plan 2 or 3. I give the lifetime deal link in the description of the video. Just go to the link and purchase it if you really need it. It is an affiliate link. If you purchase from this link, I will get a small percentage, and you get a 10% discount also. Moreover, if you really like this video, please subscribe us and give us a like. And for more information, please visit www.technolung.com.